Hey everyone, want to use the built-in calculator in ueli? Ueli includes a powerful calculator that lets you solve math problems, evaluate expressions, and even perform unit conversions directly from the search bar. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use the calculator in ueli step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure ueli is running on your computer. If it isn't already open, launch it from the Start menu. Once it starts, you'll see its icon in the Windows system tray, ready to use. Press the global keyboard shortcut to open the launcher. The default shortcut is usually Alt plus space, although you can customize it in the settings. Type a mathematical expression directly into the search bar, such as 25 plus 75, 100 divided by 4, or 15 times 8. Ueli instantly displays the calculated result as you type. Besides basic arithmetic, ueli also supports more advanced calculations and unit conversions. I mean, you can enter expressions like SQRT, 144, 210, or convert units such as 2 inch to cm or 1L in cm3 directly in the search bar. Once the correct answer appears, press Enter to copy the result to your clipboard. You can then paste it into documents, spreadsheets, emails, or anywhere else you need it. Practice using the calculator whenever you need quick math without opening a separate application. Using keyboard shortcuts and instant calculations can save time throughout your workday. And that's how to use the calculator in ueli. From basic arithmetic to advanced expressions and unit conversions, ueli makes calculations fast and convenient without leaving your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.